Thus, in marriage, there must be a moment of listening and communicating. Thus, Marlui and Jimena May always have a listening heart. It is difficult, but when you truly love each other, Marlui or Jimena May, this will become easy for you.
Love is patient, love is kind, love is the heart.
Okay lang. Medyo kulbagit kayo siya kay mo na gini siya ang day nga ginulat-ulatan gid na mo.
And I started to doubt it. I'm stuck here asking, like, what does it take to make it past the passion? Slip through the pain, wondering, is it even out there till you came in my life and showed me what it's like to be loved? I will show you what I'll do, what I would take, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you.
Kuan, 7 years na may mag-uyab. Bago lang yun, atong August 9.
August 9 ba di ay?
August 9, nag-ila kay birthday, mag-ito ni Bani.
Uya, uyag ki ba dapat panuti ka?
Uy, ako pa lugar nagpanunay. Chismis.
Pagka 1 year ago, exactly 1 year ago yun, August 9, 2018 na to siya, na nag-uyab na din ni birthday ka po ni Bani. So, sakto lang gano'ng friendship, 1 year, nag-uyab na din.
Now, for the love stories, guys.
Excited. Gan gakakulbaan po.
What I would do, what I would take, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Oh, to be
Wow! Paldo, girl! Saan ang letter? My love. This watch symbolizes the time you have always given me.
For the sleep. Pang duty.
Thank you, love, for all your time, your love, and the care you've shown me and our baby soon forever. Mina. Oh, thank you, my love. I love it. Woo! Mahulo na ko pangit. Okay. Okay, mag-start ko sa kanta. You were there, you were everything I never see. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone and I opened my eyes and you were there. Every time madunggan ako ni nga kanta, kay ikaw jud akong ma-remember. From senior high to college and now, grateful kaayo ko nga niabot ka sa akong life.
Stars are tracing the sky like
Hi, Bea, my husband. This is it, the day we have been waiting for. So actually, while writing this vow, I didn't know where to start because way back when we were in high school, no, I never expected that we would still be together until this day.
and I'm feeling.
Isa gid ka sa reason nga nung napaingon ko sa sakto nga path. Di na ko ma-imagine akong life karon if wala ka niabot. Every time nga down kaayo ko, you were there.
So looking back on those years, makaingon gid ko nga sa kalisod ug sa kaharuhay naa ka. So you've always been my number one support system.
You are a part of me. This way you'll always be. This way you'll always be a part of me.
Good luck sa imong bagong journey, Doy. Kay ninyo naman ka. Kung naman ganin mo problema inyo, ginaistoryahan ha. Dili og mga trials sa inyong kinabuhi. Mura na isabot-sabutan na ginan ninyo para malinawan ang inyong pagpuyo permanente.
O ang magtiayon kinahanglan tubig ug kalayo. Ang isa tubig, ang isa kalayo aron dili moulbo. Good luck, Doy. So karon ninyo naman ka na wala na tong kuan ha, wala na tong suroy-suroy. Ha? Kasamin nyo na bana na gid ha. Dili na magkuan, dili ka magpabadlong ha. Okay, Doy. Good luck, Doy ha.
Like you was something I won't lose. You are a part of me. This way you'll always be. This way you'll always be a part of me.
Marlui, magpabilin unta nga si Jimena May lang ang ikaw sa imong kinabuhi. Pag binuutan nga bana ngadto sa imong asawa o pag mapinanggaon nga mahan ngadto sa imong mga anak.
City I rise. You
I am luckier to have a husband like you. Kamaayo, kapugihan sa trabaho, kamatinahuron sa kong parents, o isa sa pinaka-genuine nga tao nga akong naila. So I love you, love, today, tomorrow, and the rest of my life.
You are a part of me. That's where you'll always be. That's where you'll always be a part of me. You are a part of me. That's where you'll always be. That's where you'll always be a part of me.
I'll work hard for our future, for our family, and I will gladly give my whole life for you. Thank you, love. I love you today, tomorrow, and for the rest of